Make a microwave cake with me. Bowl. Sugar. Flour. Vanilla. White chocolate chips. Measuring things. The microwave. Baking soda. Chocolate chips. 1/4 cup of flour. 1/4 cup of sugar. 1/4 baking soda. A dash of salt. Milk. 3. 2 vegetable oil. Water. 1 splash of vanilla. Little bit more. X. White chalky chips. Brown chalky chips. Sprinkles. Mix more. Microwave. 2 minutes. Waiting. Waiting more. Take the cake out of the microwave. Toothpick test. Yay. Oh man, wait. That's good. Good enough. Chalky chips, white. Sprinkles more. Voila. Cake. Now I gotta clean all this up.